persuade you how technology makes us smarter. You know, I used to think technology was just a bunch of gadgets and gizmos, but now, the more I think about it, the more I realize how smarter it actually makes us. Back in the day, you'd have to flip through books and encyclopedias to find the information you want, but now, with one tap of a button, you can find the right information you want.
Technology helps us improve our quick thinking skills and problem-solving skills. Even the video games we play in every day help improve our brains, especially those games like ML, Roblox, or Tycoon games teaches us cooperation and how to properly manage and save up our money. Technology does give us a quick and efficient access to information we need with one tap of a button. It really does help us a lot, doesn't it? Fun fact, technology was made over 2 million years ago. Can you imagine the struggles those people experienced way before it was invented? Hard, right? Also, technology now rules the roost in the business world according to general technology statistics. Here are some general technology statistics. Number 1, DPA reports that the tech industry makes up 35% of the total world market. Number 2, 20% of the world's data was generated between 2019 and the present. Number 3, there are more than 585,000 companies in the United States. Number 4, the big four, which are Amazon, Apple, Google, and Facebook, are collectively worth 4 trillion thousands. Concluding this speech, while technology helps us learn many new things in a more fun and exciting way, we should always remember to be responsible in how we use it and to have our limitations while using it. Technology can make us smarter by giving us access to information, improving learning tools, and automating tasks. However, it is crucial to remember to use it wisely and develop our own critical thinking skills.